Curry, a dish synonymous with rich flavors and aromatic spices, has captured taste buds worldwide. But what exactly is curry? Let's embark on a flavorful journey to uncover the secrets of this beloved dish. Curry is a broad term encompassing a wide range of dishes originating from the Indian subcontinent. Its popularity has spread globally, resulting in countless variations. From the fiery vindaloo to the creamy korma, there's a curry for every palate. To create your culinary masterpiece, gather these essential tools: a large, heavy-bottomed pot, a cutting board, a chef's knife, measuring spoons and cups, a mortar and pestle, optional for grinding spices, and a blending stick for smooth sauces. The heart and soul of curry lies in its spices. Here are some staples: core spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Flavor enhancers such as cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and fennel. And heat factors like green chili, red chili, and black pepper. Let's create a versatile curry base. First, we start with the spice blend. Toast whole spices like cumin, coriander, cardamom, and cloves in a dry pan. Then grind them into a powder. Combine this with other spices. Next, saute onions until they're golden brown. Then add minced garlic. After that, add the prepared spice blend and cook until it's fragrant. Blend tomatoes into a smooth puree and add this to the pan. Let the sauce simmer for a rich flavor. Now, add your choice of protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or tofu, and don't forget the vegetables. For a richer curry, stir in some coconut milk or cream. Finally, adjust the salt and heat to taste. Elevate your curry game with these secrets. Start with a small amount of chili powder and gradually increase to spice it right. Balance the flavors: sweetness from onions, acidity from tomatoes, and heat from chilies create harmony. Use fresh herbs like cilantro and mint for a vibrant taste. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try new combinations of spices and ingredients. Curry is best enjoyed with naan or roti, which are Indian flatbreads perfect for scooping up the curry. Rice is a classic accompaniment that complements the flavors. Raita, a cooling yogurt-based condiment, pairs wonderfully. And for added texture, try some papadum, a crispy lentil wafer. Making curry is a rewarding culinary experience. Experiment with different ingredients and let your creativity shine. With practice, you'll create your own signature curry that will impress your taste buds and your guests. Spice up your life with our curry guide. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.